Okay, so over here it asks us what is the positive solution to the given equation. So right here we're given k squared minus 53 equals 91. Now notice there's no extra k. So this question would be a little bit different if it's at k squared plus k minus 53 equals 91. We would do something a little bit different. Since we don't have another k, I can just say k squared equals, add the 53 to the other side, and I'm going to have 144. That means that if I take the square root of both sides, I'm going to have k equals 12. This is going to be my answer. So let's go on to 4. So now it says, during a portion of a flight, a small airplane's cruising speed varied between 150 miles per hour and 170 miles per hour. Which inequality best represents the situation where x is the cruising speed during the portion of the flight? Okay, so very simply, since s is a cruising speed and I'm between 150 and 170, my inequality should say so. So I need to be in between 150 and in between 170. Let's move on to 5. So 5 says, an object was launched upward from a platform. The graph shows the model of the height above ground, y, in meters, of the object x seconds after it was launched. So y is the height and x is the time after launch. For which of the following intervals of time was the height of the object increasing for the entire interval? So remember, height, right, is our y-axis, and time is our x-axis. So I'm looking for when the object is increasing in height. Starting from here, I can track it. Let's see, it's going up, 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 until I reach this point. Now, what's asking me for, though, is the x values. So I see that from 0 to 2, I was increasing. So my answer is going to be A. Okay, let's move on to 6. So question 6 says, how many yards are equivalent to 1,116 inches? Well, okay, since 1 yard is 36 inches, right? I need to think how many how many yards are 1 inch, right? So what I can say is, using that, I know that 1 yard, right, is 36 inches, so 1/36 of a yard is 1 inch. So basically, what I have to do here is take the amount of inches that I have, right, and divide by 36. So I'm going to do that really quickly on a calculator. And if I do 1,116 divided by 36, I'm going to get 31 yards. And this is going to be your answer. Remember, in the free response, you just answer the number, of course.